ESG proportional control angle seat valve is a microprocessor-based valve that quickly and accurately achieves automatic adjustment at the valve opening, thereby enabling precise control of pipeline flow. Upon receiving the product, Step 1. Inspect the outer packaging for any damage. During installation, avoid severe vibration. To prevent product malfunction, Step 2. Mount and secure the valve onto the required pipeline. Ensure the pipeline is clean and allows sufficient clearance space. For details, refer to the angle seat valve installation video. Step 3. Check whether the operating interface angle needs adjustment. If so, use the 3mm hex key prepared in advance. To loosen the hex, set screws on both sides of the positioner. Rotate clockwise or counterclockwise within a 180 range to the desired angle, then retighten the set screws on both sides. Note: do not rotate continuously in one direction, as this may damage the internal wiring. Step 4. Connect 3 to 7 bar of clean compressed air through the air tubing to the positioner's air supply port P port. Then connect the control port A to the valve actuator. The port R is the position as exhaust port with a built-in silencer. No additional action required. Step 5. Insert the supplied 5-core power cable plug into the 5-pin flanged male connector on the positioner. When installing the plug, first align it with the slot. Press it in, then tighten. Next, referring to the product port diagram, connect the 5 terminal wires on the other end of the power cable to the corresponding ports on the host controller, matching the 5 different colors. Note: incorrect wiring of the electrical terminals may damage the positioner. The smart pneumatic control valve is now installed. For long-term outdoor use, always fit the protective cover in time to guard against moisture and sun exposure. If the positioner develops a fault and must be replaced, proceed as follows. Step 1. Disconnect the power. Shut off the control air supply. Remove the air tubing from the A port and P port. Step 2. Ensure the fastening screws on both sides of the positioner are in the tightened position. Unscrew the positioner by hand. Step 3. Install and tighten the new positioner. For the remaining installation steps, refer to the Smart Positioner installation demonstration in Section 01. After installation, the new Smart Positioner must be calibrated. Before calibration, turn on the control air supply and connect the power. Unscrew the positioner's protective cover counterclockwise. The positioner has 4 touch buttons for switching display screens and setting parameters. If the display does not light up after power on, verify that the 24 volts DC power supply is functioning properly and that the cables are correctly connected. The calibration steps are as follows. Step 1. Select cylinder bore. Press and hold the M key for 5 seconds. To enter the menu, use the up, down keys. To navigate down to the 5th item, tuning parameters, then press M to enter. Navigate down to the 6th item, cylinder bore selection. Select the bore corresponding to the valve actuator. Then press M to confirm. Finally, press C to exit. Note: selecting the wrong cylinder bore may prevent the valve from opening correctly. Step 2. Auto tuning. On a newly replaced Smart Positioner, there will be some deviation between the position value shown on the display and the set value. You can use the auto tuning function to establish the valve travel range and related parameters. Proceed as follows. Press and hold the M key for 5 seconds. To enter the menu, find the first item, Auto Tuning, and press M to confirm. The system begins auto tuning. The screen displays the voltage values of the valve position sensor at the low and high positions. Tuning completes after about 40 seconds. Press M to save the tuning parameters. If the positioner cannot locate the position for a long time, or if the valve cannot fully open or close, ensure the inlet air pressure meets requirements, and that the pneumatic ports of the actuator and positioner have no air leakage or incorrect connections. Step 3. Input signal. Press and hold the M key for 5 seconds. Select the second item, input signal. Based on the actual host controller configuration, select from 4 input signal types: 0 to 20 mA or 4 to 20 mA current signals, or 0 to 5 volts or 0 to 10 volts voltage signals as the set point. Press M to confirm, then press C to exit. To set the output signal, follow the same procedure. Finally, fit the protective cover and tighten it clockwise. When the deviation between the actual position value on the display and the set value is too large, an alarm indicator appears at the bottom of the display. Match your situation to the 5 cases below and adjust the parameters accordingly. The steps for adjusting the intake, exhaust opening and closing time are as follows. Press and hold the M key for 5 seconds to enter the menu. Navigate down to the 5th item, tuning parameters. Select the second item, opening, closing time. Adjust according to the 5 cases described above. Press M to confirm, then press C to exit. When the position value on the display is close to the set value, the alarm indicator at the bottom of the display disappears, and the problem is resolved.